this is my little Minecraft alarm here. Fire alarm system test number 1. So let's get started with the review. I forgot to put the label on here. Okay, so let's put this on silence. Okay, good. I have my inventories full. I'm just gonna throw away some of my stuff and we'll get started with the review. Okay, first right here, we have a little fire alarm as a copy of this. This is, oh, I gotta cover this up. This remote strobe, remote light, and this, a speaker here. Okay. Then we have a bell right here with an observer. With one of the lights burned out. Big horn right there. Up here is a light. Is it upstairs here? Alright, sorry about the coincidence. Alright, so we have that little light. And we have 2 horn lights with a bell in here. And that should be it. And the pull stations. Okay, let's start pulling this one. 3, 2, 1. The bell isn't working, so I might have to get it fixed soon. But you can hear the bell down here. Get away from me. Get away from me. Okay. Okay, that's on silence. Okay, good. Let's try to, sensor. All I need is a flint and steel so to, activate it. Oh, wrong, organization thing. Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1. I wish I had an annunciator, but okay, let's pull down the auto call here. This is an auto call. And 3, 2, 1. This light's going weird. What it was before this video, it was blinking before. Maybe it was the silent button that I did wrong. Okay, there we go. Let me just reset it. And to cut off the antenna. Okay, so did I hear a bat in here? Nah. Okay, let's go up. Let's pull this one down and run to the panel. Actually, I'm just gonna. Okay, let me just put it on silence, and that's it. Going to be it. What the? There we go. That's working now. I should have added doors. What's down here? Oh, this is my little library. What? The Tingum isn't, the light isn't blinking? Even these ones. The other ones are literally blinking, except for some of them. I gotta fix the silent button. Let me see what's the problem with this thing. Oh, I know what the problem is. It isn't connected to the light. Hold on, guys. I have to fix this. I couldn't get it fixed, so just forget about the lights. Okay. Back onto the system tests. Reset the stuff and why do bandits keep going in my house? Get out! Get out! Why in my sink? Man! Forget about those idiots. Okay, let's pull this one. This is the only one I didn't pull. Okay, one of them just got killed and dropped some iron for me. Why is this on the fire alarm? I'm gonna make how to make an annunciator with a panel. Wait, I think I hear something. I don't know if it's working. Okay, good. The bonus one, the other one sounds a bit weird, but oh well. Man, these bandits keep leaving my door open. What? Okay, good. Why there's so much mess? Okay then. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I need to go do my chores in Minecraft. Where's my brush? Okay then, I can't find my broom. Bye everybody. Okay. Where's my mom? She's gonna kill me. I gotta put this on for free.